Welcome to the PocketCodr output tutorial. Make sure the smart sensor is mounted in the holder and the target is positioned correctly. The sensor is connected to the PocketCodr through a cable. Open the PocketCodr app and view the main interface, including sensor info, live data graph, widgets, and internal sensor signals. Start the output configuration by selecting the Action widget and explore the configuration possibilities. The sensor physical output can be set in different ways depending on the application. Fixed level, either high or low, as an internal switching channel or signal, or a logical combination of internal signals. The widget will intuitively guide you through the necessary steps for the configuration of your choice. Here, we will configure the alarm 1 to the output 2. Select Active and set the source to ALR1, which was already configured to turn on if the counter value is higher than 100. And turn the gear and see if the lamp lights up only when the alarm is activated after 100 teeth are counted. Congratulations! You've successfully set the physical output on your smart sensor. Learn more at Automation Direct, the #1 value in automation. Click here to learn more about the PocketCodr and our entire selection of IO-Link and smart sensors. Click here for more videos.